Hi loves, this is Clara. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do an unboxing of my cloth and paper subscription box for the month of January. I am so excited. I just got this in the mail yesterday and I'm opening it today, Sunday. Let's get started. There you go. So when you open the box or your package, you'll usually see a postcard of the what's inside of what you're getting in your subscription box. So it says here you're getting a horizontal weekly insert, half-page monthly inserts, purchase tracker inserts, paint swatch dashboard, magazine cover dashboard, trio dashboard, appointment sticky notes, appointment notepad, AM/PM minimal task card set, and journaling cards. Oh my gosh, I'm getting so excited. Like, this is my first time opening this box, so I don't know what's inside and I'm so excited right now. So let's see what's inside the box. Oh, like, I want to be careful opening this one. Oh my gosh, so excited. Oh wow, this is so nice. It says how you love yourself is how you teach others to love you. Oh, this is so nice. So the back page is blank. This is so nice. I'll put this on a frame. This is so cute. Okay, so I guess these are the AM/PM minimal task card set. Oh my gosh, I don't know why it's like this, but let me try to oh no. Oops. So this is the AM/PM minimal task card set. It's cute. Okay, so I guess these are the journaling cards. Let me open it. So this is the March. Okay, there you go. Hopefully it'll focus here. There you go. Calendar for March. And another one. The matte card. So it comes in the clear card and the matte card for the calendar. Oh, this is cute. It's a nice code card. Oh wow, that's definitely true. Be thankful for what you have and fearless for what you want. This is nice. Okay, there you go. Oh, so here's the appointment sticky note. There you go. Wow, and then we have the appointment note card. So it has the date, time, location, contact, appointment details, follow-up. This is so nice. And what is this? Okay, I guess these are the dashboards, but I am so surprised. Why is it not punched? So I guess this is the 3 dashboards that came with the box, and then it's not punched. Oh, I'm so excited, but I mean, how about you guys? Did you get your dashboards like this without the punch on the side? Let me know in the comment section below. It's just so weird, but I really like the aesthetic of it. Like, it's very minimal, but I don't know, I'm like surprised. Like, where is the punch? Well, it's okay, I'll contact them. So here's the half-page monthly inserts. And this doesn't come punched too. Is it weird? Next are these purchase trackers inserts. There you go. And lastly is the horizontal weekly inserts. Well, I don't know guys. I don't know. First I was excited and now I'm actually really sad because I was so surprised how I got my inserts without the punch on the side. I don't have the puncher, so I might need to contact them if they need to send me a replacement. I'm gonna check other planner babes if you know they have their inserts punched or not. I'll check their Instagram to see. But again guys, maybe this is something that you know I have to contact them, but Cloth and Paper, they are very reputable. Like, I love their inserts. It's very good quality. So if you guys want to purchase their subscription, I would put the link in the description box below. Okay, so let's do a recap of what I got from Cloth and Paper. Let's start with the dashboards. So I got that one. Got these magazine cover dashboard. This trio dashboard. It also comes with a purchase tracker. We have the horizontal weekly undated inserts. And we have the half-page monthly inserts. I also got an appointment message pad or notepad. I have an appointment sticky note. We also have these minimal task cards set in AM and PM. Really nice. Also got these journaling cards. So I have the calendar in matte paper, clear card, and 2 journaling cards, which are so cute. There you go. That's it. Oh, I forgot. So this is how it came with. There you go. So love yourself is how you teach others to love you. Oh, sorry. So how you love yourself is how you teach others to love you. Definitely true. So again, guys, if you are interested to purchase the subscription box from Cloth and Paper, I would put the link in the description box below. And again, you're getting a good deal out of it. So just by paying $33.30, if you got the 3-month subscription that I have, you'll be able to get these stuffs. If you purchase this individually, you'll be ending up paying more. So it's better to get the subscription so you'll get, you know, the new stuff every month and you'll pay a very good deal out of it. So again, I will put everything in the description box below. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you guys for watching and see you soon.